ምን ላጥና ሜጀሬ ምን ይሁን ነው ደግሞ ሌላ ጥያቄ እዚህ አሜሪካ ከመጣም በኋላ በጣም የሚያጋጥመን አይደል? ግን እሱን ለመመለስ ከእናንተ ነው የሚመጣው። you know your major doesn't matter to be successful. If you are doing something that you love, you're always going to end up being successful because you're not going to give up. ግን as an immigrant እኔ በራሴ ሁኔታ STEM major STEM ያጠኑ ሰዎች conversion rate is very, very high rather than art major. I'm not saying art is bad or whatnot. It's great. You know, creativity is great. There's always a lot of ways to make money. Again, as a realistic person and a pessimist, STEM major has a better conversion rate to get a job, okay? So, but at the same time, you have to love it. You have to, you know, it's not going to be easy. So, it's going to take a lot of work. You know, all majors are hard. So it has to come from within you. You have to understand what it is that you want, and it has to be something that you stick with, okay? አስር ሜጀራችሁን ስትቀያይሩ ነው ጊዜ የሚያልቅባችሁ። አንድ ነገር ወስኑና አንድ ነገር ምረጡና ጨርሱት። በዛ ስራ ማግኘት ሞክሩ፣ ኔትወርክ አድርጉ cuz that's the most important thing, okay? So bottom line, pick something that you love and will stick through and through.